Hey there, Seahorse here. Today marks the end of the season. The end of pool season, that is, and while it's a little bittersweet, it's also a necessary part of keeping it fun and fresh. As we look back at all the fun we had this season at Indome Pool, we are grateful. Grateful to be able to share it with you as the channel grows, and grateful to be able to continue to make content even in different subject areas. Over the winter, we will continue to make videos on Indome Pool, as well as homeschooling and indoor gardening hydroponically, and finally, and perhaps most excitingly, our recent addition of the drone allows us to include drone footage for content as well. So stay with us over the winter. We'll be putting out lots of fun new videos in all of these subject areas. As always, a funny little song will accompany the rest of the video. So come on, watch the winterizing of the pool as we shut her down for the season.
And the sun goes down fast. The season comes to an end. You know it's not meant to last. Now the cold is creeping in, and the sun goes down fast. The season comes to an end. You know it's not meant to last. Now the cold is creeping in, and the sun goes down fast. The season comes to an end. You know it's not meant to last. Now the cold is creeping in, and the sun goes down fast. The season comes to an end. You know it's not meant to last. And the sun goes down fast. The season comes to an end. You know it's not meant to last. Now the cold is creeping in, and the sun goes down fast. The season comes to an end. You know it's not meant to last. You know it's not meant to last. You know it's not meant to last. Now the cold is creeping in, and the sun goes down fast. The season comes to an end. You know it's not meant to last. Now the cold is creeping in, and the sun goes down fast. The season comes to an end. You know it's not meant to last. You know it's not meant to last. You know it's not meant to last.
If you enjoyed this video, a like, share, and subscribe go a long way to helping out a small channel like mine. Thanks for watching.